Hey guys, I want to walk you through some of the key features of our brand new bumper and how it fits on your Sprinter. The rear bumper helps give you an aggressive look to your van while maintaining that tight, streamlined feel. The bumper maintains all of the parking sensor and the blind spot sensors in their OEM locations, and comes with all of the bezels and brackets needed to get them mounted up correctly. The rear bumper works perfectly with your OEM hitch and most aftermarket hitches. It also works perfectly with our rear plate step if you're looking to add a platform to help get up into the back of your van. Behind the bumper skin, there is some tabs to help zip tie and keep all of the cable management for your park sensors and OEM wiring harness tidy and out of the way. There's a cutout here for Baja S2 or similar lights you can wire in for your reverse lights or just off-road lights. The bumper itself is a 3mm aluminum, super lightweight, very strong. It's coated in our exterior powder coat, UV resistant, and very durable. Behind the lightweight aluminum skin of the bumper is the steel bracket that actually mounts the bumper to your chassis. Our rear bumper is a great option if you're looking to add some style to the back of your van. Hit us up at customer service if there's something we didn't cover or questions you have. We'd be happy to talk to you guys.